In the beginning, there was light. We've all heard that. But have you also heard that you are the light? Or are you too busy? Too busy doing, too busy working, too busy fearful with anxiety, stress, worry, running around? There is another way of being that does not cause stress or anxiety. It's another way of identifying, and it's identifying with nature, because nature doesn't have to run around and be anxious about anything. And we can take our clues from nature. There's something bubbling to the surface, and it's another way that the world can represent itself. And it can represent itself as the light through you, because we're made of stardust. We're from the stars. And because of that, we have more power than we realize. This is Dr. Karmen Smith, and I'm the author of the book, The I Am Solution. And I know that you want to wake up to joy, wake up to compassion. You want to laugh and be one with everyone in the universe, because that is who you are. So it's time to stop doing and to start being more loving, being more grateful, being more present on this planet, knowing that we are one. And no matter what colors we come in, we are all the light. And when we fall into this oneness, when we realize who we truly are, we also see at the same time that our oneness is our greatness, and separateness and all of the other things that divide us is a delusion, because we are beautiful. We are light. And light represents itself as you, through you. And when we realize that, we realize our power and our oneness.